5, happy Thursday. Here's your Master of Maths fact of the day. 11 times 11 equals 121. What other facts do you know about 11 times 11? Mega facts and mini facts, please. Hello Year 5, so today we're just going to revise time. Now we did time only back in November when we did enterprise. So this is just a one-day revision. So I thought I'd show you some games to play, and this is on Top Marks. So these are free games, it's topmarks.co.uk. Here, there you can see there's a teaching clock, clocks splat, telling the time, other game, telling the times 12. So you can practice what you need to practice. I'm going to have a go on clock splat. So let's click on this. So you can choose your level. Let's go level 2, because I haven't played it before. So let's try level 2, it's half an hour's. Right, so do we want to do relaxed mode? 10 questions untimed. Well, let's try the timed mode. Answer as quickly and correctly as you can to increase your score. Let's go for it, Mrs. Oliver. Right. Okay, Year 5, so I had a slight technical hitch. Couldn't get it to work on the interactive whiteboard, but obviously you won't be using an interactive whiteboard. So let's have a go on the computer. So my clock says 4:30, so I've got to click. Yep. Now it's 10:30. Yep. Oh, 5 o'clock. Can't see it. Oh, there. Oh, that was lucky. 4. Oh, there. So this would be a good game to practice, to go between analogue and digital time. So if this is the thing you think you're not too sure on, you could have a go at this. 3 o'clock. Oh, I just about got it. 7:30. Oh, so there's one game that you could play. Okay, so again in your pack, in the measures section of your pack, there is this page. This is page 8 of 9 in the measures section. First of all, you just need to draw a line to match these times up. So remember, we've got PM, which is the afternoon, and AM, which is the morning. So remember, PM is afternoon, so that's when the clock, these digital times go beyond 12. So 17:15 must be the afternoon, because it's 17 is past the 12. So see if you can match those up. And then for the next sheet, you've got to write it in words. The 24-hour clock, the 12-hour clock, and then what it would look like, the hands on a clock on an analogue clock. So here, the first one, so the first one's been done for you. Then this one says 9 o'clock in the morning. So what would that look like on a 24-hour clock? Remember, it's in the morning. What would it look like on a 12-hour clock? It's the morning, so it's going to be something AM. And then where would you draw the hands on the clock face for 9 o'clock in the morning? On Top Marks is this teaching clock. So when you're doing the sheet and converting, this is really good resource, because it's got an analogue clock, which is this one, but also a digital clock and a 24-hour clock. So you could use this to put in the time and then switch between, and it will tell you. And if you go to time now, so at the moment it's 10:07 here, that's what that would look like on the hands of a clock. That's it in digital, and this is in 24 hours. So remember, when it's digital, you've got to write AM and PM. On the clock face, obviously you don't write AM and PM, it's telling us there that it's AM. And then that's what it would be in the 24-hour clock, which doesn't tell us AM or PM, because we know it's in the AM because it's 10. If it was in the 24-hour clock, it would be that plus 12, wouldn't it? So it would be saying 22:07 if it was at 9. So again, that's on Top Marks, the teaching clock. Have a look.